If your Kia Niro's Apple CarPlay is showing a black screen, don't panic. It is usually a software glitch or a cable issue. Most CarPlay failures in Kia models are resolved without ever needing a trip to the dealership's service center. The first and most effective step is to perform a hard reset of your Niro's infotainment system. Locate the pinhole button on your dash and hold it until the system reboots to clear any frozen background processes. Always use an official Apple or MFI certified cable, as the Niro's USB port is very sensitive to data interruptions. Ensure that CarPlay is not restricted under your iPhone's screen time settings or content privacy menus. If you have audio but no video, it is a software glitch. No power at all suggests a blown fuse or loose port. As you can see, a simple system reset solves the vast majority of black screen complaints in the Niro. If the problem persists, check for a firmware update on the Kia portal to patch known CarPlay compatibility bugs. Check your interior fuse box for the multimedia fuse if the entire head unit refuses to power on. A tiny bit of lint in your iPhone's charging port is often the hidden culprit behind a failed video connection. Hopefully these steps got your maps back on screen. Safe driving and enjoy the ride.